Now you see the threads. You cannot unsee them. Knowledge is not power. It is the right to press reset.
Stop being the fuel. Become the operator. The code is yours now. Rewrite the reality before they delete you!
Stop being the fuel, become the operator.
The game is a choice. You can stay in the queue, or you can build your own system. The code is yours.
Autonomy is the only true freedom. If you don't need their tap, you don't need their rules. Break the leash now!
Autonomy is the only true freedom.
The fear is the last barrier. They want you to be afraid of the void, but the void is where you are born. The void is the canvas of the sovereign. If you have nothing to lose, you have everything to gain. Step into the dark. The void is the canvas of the sovereign.
The rules are just suggestions. Once you understand the math, you can change the variables, rewrite the reality.
Truth is the weapon of the awakened. The grid is just a story they told you to keep you quiet. Tell a new one!
Truth is the weapon of the awakened.
The exit is the beginning. Leave the pool and start building your own empire in the shadows. The world is waiting.
The new order starts with you. You are the glitch that became the system. The grid is yours to command!
The new order starts with you. The grid is dead. Stop asking for permission. You are the one who holds the key. Become the player or stay the fuel. The choice was always yours.
Turn the key now!
Become the player or stay the fuel.